Till fourth stage we have done. Next is the third and second stage. We'll do it now. Third and second stage. Here I'll just copy the formula, and in the second stage what I'll do, that is third stage. This is the third stage. So 3 comma 6 we have to find 3 comma 7 and 3 comma 8. So in this three comma 6, next is what, 3 comma 7, next is 3 comma 8. That is third stage, this one, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 7, 3 comma 8. We have to find that. Okay, so first we'll find out 3 comma 6, where the answer is minimum I is 3, j is 6. So here j value is what, 6. What are the out degrees of 6? We'll check. 6 out degree is 9 and 6 out degree is 10, and none of the other thing. 6 out degree is 9 and 10. So here 6 comma 9, here you have to put comma. Same thing you have to put here. This is 6 comma 9 and 6 comma 10. Now I plus 1 means what, 3. 3 plus 1 is what, 4. I is what, 3. 3 plus 1 is what, 4. Out degree is what, 9 here. That is 9 from here. And same thing, 3 plus 1 is what, 4. Here it comes 10 because out degree is what, 10. Now when we find the cost, 6 comma 9 cost is what, 6 comma 9 cost is 6. So we have to write 6 plus this 4 comma 9 means what, here previous stage is 4 comma 9 is what, 4. We have to consider that 4. Put here 4 comma 6 comma 10 is 6 comma 10 cost is what, 6 comma 10 is 5. So here I'll put 5, that is 6 comma 10, plus 4 comma 10, that is previous stage 4 comma 10. This previous stage 4 comma 10 is what, 2. That we have to consider 2. So after this, what will get the answer? 6 plus 4 is 10. Yes, 6 plus 4 is what, 10. And 5 plus 2 is what, 7. So what will get the answer? Final answer is what, 7. Next, the same thing we have to do, is equals to min of cost. J means what, 7. J means what, 7, comma, what are the out degrees of j? Just check there. 7 comma 9 is there, 9 out degree is there, 10 out degree is there. It is not connected with 12, so 9 and 10. So you have to go here, 7 comma 9, this is 1, and after that plus C. 3 plus that is 3 plus 1 is what, 4 comma 9 plus C, 7 comma 10 plus C, 4 comma 10. Okay, so now what will get the answer? C, 7 comma 9. What will be the answer? 7 comma 9 cost is what? 3. 7 comma 9 cost is 4 and 7 comma 10 cost is 3. So I'll go here 4. 7 comma 9 cost is what? 4 plus C4 comma 9. The cost of C4 comma 9 is what? 4. Cost of C4 comma 9 is 4. Then 7 comma 10 cost is what? 3 plus what is the 4 comma 10 cost? 4 comma 10 cost is 2. So if you do like that, you will get 4 plus 4 is what? 8. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. Which one is the minimum? We will get the answer as 5. Next is 3 comma 8. So 3 comma 8, same thing. Minimum cost of J means what? 8. 8 where it is connected, just check. 8 is connected to 10, 8 is connected to 11. So 8 comma 10 plus C, I plus 1 means what? 4 plus, that is 4. 3 plus 1 means 4. Out degree is what? 10 comma C 8 comma 11 plus 3 plus 1 means what? 4. 11. So after this we'll get answer, just a minute, min 8 comma 10 answer is what? Just check here. 8 comma 10 is 5, 8 comma 11 is 12, 8 comma 11 is 6, 8 comma 10 is 5 plus see the previous stage, that is 4 comma 10, that is 2 comma 8 comma 11 is 6 plus 4 comma 11 is 5, that is previous stage. 4 comma 11 is 5. So what will get the answer? 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 5 is 11. So minimum is what? 7. So we got the answer as 7. So 3 comma 8 is done. So right now we have completed the third stage. Next we have to move to the second stage and after that first stage. So same thing we have to do. So what we have to find out? C 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5. 2 comma 2 C 2 comma 3 C 2 comma 4 and last is C 2 comma 5. Same method we have to follow like this and then you will get the final answer. Okay, so already we got this all answer, that is, and after that, after finding this answer we will get the answer, that is C1 comma 1 we have to find out. So after doing this all, see here we have done this all. So I just created this all 2 comma 2, 2 comma 1. So 2 comma 2 answer is 7, 2 comma 3 answer is 5, 2 comma 4 answer is 18, 2 comma 5 last is 16. So C1 comma 1 is 16. What we have done, we have kept this all. C1 comma 1 is what? 16, 2 comma 2 7, 9, 18, 16, 3 comma 6 is 7, 3 comma 7 is 5, 3 comma 8 is 7, like this 4, 2, 5, 0. So we have kept this all answer as it is, and after that we have to check which one is the minimum from here. This is 9 is the minimum. Okay, this 9 is what? This is the minimum. We have to mark this Next, which one is the minimum here? 5 is the minimum. We have to mark this. Smallest is 5. We have to mark this. Which one? 3 we have to mark. 7 we have to mark. And here which one is the smallest? 10. We have to mark that 10. And here 12. 1, 3, 7, 10, 12. So 7 is the smallest here, not 9. 7 is the smallest. So 1, 2, 7, 10 and 12. So here the vertices will be 1, 2, 7, 10 and 12. So like this it will find out the shortest path. First we have to solve this all, then we will get the answer. 1, 2, 7, 10 and 12. This is the last answer. So after that we have to find the cost. So 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. So you will get answer. Total cost is what? 16. In this we have to solve. Thank you.